Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, as a part of me taking accountability in a public domain, I want to put forward my plan for 2026. Okay, what will make me a better mechatronics engineer? Let me tell you, building in public, growing in public will actually help you commit to your goals, and that is the reason why I'm putting out this video here. Uh, because once you put anything in public domain, you have a lot of eyes looking at you. Okay, and there's always this constant train of thoughts running in your mind that okay, now there is there will be consequences if I do not follow up on my actions, which is not the case when you are doing it all by yourself. And that is exactly the thought which which motivated me to do this video for this channel. So everything to become a better engineer. And here it goes. Also, guys, once I let you know what my 2026 resolution is, if you feel that your idea does not seem practical enough, or you feel this there is area for improvement in my plan, please let me know in the comments. I'm free to listening to your opinions, and if they are good enough, I'll also implement change my plan a bit so that I can accommodate those changes also. Okay, so if you guys don't know this yet, yes, I'm a mechatronics graduate. I passed out in 2025. In the 4 years of my learning, I learned a lot of things, but I would say it was only like base level learning. I never really got the chance to truly put my learning to use anywhere, or to design anything which I would consider worth engineering worthy or mechatronics worthy. So that is why for 2026 my plan is to revisit all the concepts which I have studied through my 4 years of engineering, and strengthen my understanding, improve whatever understanding I have on the subject, have a clear understanding of what the topic stands for. On an average, anyone who starts out in mechatronics will require around 1 to 1.5 years just to get the basics right. And the basic topics, if I read them out for you, it is multivariable calculus, statistics, chemistry, differential equations, mechanics, hydraulics, pneumatics, introductory programming, Java, Python, computer organization. Okay, the list is very high. Okay, and it is expected because you're dealing with the interdisciplinary topic. Mechatronics is that kind of a field where you have to do a lot. For 2026, the first 6 months, I want to focus up on my basics. Okay, among all the topics which I just shared with you, among them, if I have to say the topics which I can truly learn at this point, okay, with the most minimum investment, with the least amount of time invested to them, that would be programming. So I would be learning. First, I will learn Python. Then I will move towards static and dynamic systems. Okay, as a theory course. Okay, so these two I'll be doing, right. Then once I'm proficient in Python as a program as my primary programming language, then I'll move towards Java. These two courses, specifically Python and static and dynamic systems, these are something which will help me build the base, the very base of my learning, because I'm comfortable learning mechanics. Okay, I can learn mechanics very well. Programming is not really my comfortable spot. So that is why I have paired these two together. So I have a comfortable course and a course I'm not comfortable with, so that they can balance each other out. Again, this is all rapid learning. Okay, I'm trying to learn this as fast as possible. Although the priority being Python and static and dynamic systems, I'll try to have an overview of all the other subjects like the multivariable calculus, statistics, and differential equations, which I just mentioned. So that is for the first half. Second half is where I start off with computer organizations. Okay, so uh, in computer organization, essentially why you require a computer organization course for mechatronics is because imagine you have a whole set of robots, okay, working, or they are working in some coordinated way, and if you do not have the computer organization set right, then chances are they will go wrong. Okay, and this is especially true when you have robots with multiple linkages, which are trying to do some coordinated actions. So yeah, next, first half is done. Second half, computer organization and networking, and uh, if possible, I know it will not be possible for me to do it in 6 months. Definitely no, but how much ever is possible to get a proper deep understanding of this subject, computer network or computer organization, I'll do it. Okay. The way I want to approach this problem, okay, of finishing this topics as soon as possible, is is by doing project based learnings. Okay. So of course, I'll get my theory first. Once I get my theory right, then I'll also try to implement them in the projects. Okay. If parallelly, if I do, then I'll realize, okay, even though I thought my theory is right, when I did this project, I understood that, okay, maybe I have some room for improvement, and I know what area that specific area is, and that's where I can focus on my next project as well. And finally, to truly reinforce what I learned throughout this 1 year, I want to do projects. Okay, projects which will be very simple to begin with, but over the time I will try to improve the complexity. Okay, I'll try to improve uh, my understanding, my project building capabilities, uh, and present them to you guys. Okay, so uh, every week, uh, not if not every week, at least once in a month, expect me to put out a project. Okay, and if I don't, just put down comments in my previous videos like, Shriri, why have you not posted the videos? Okay, why have you not posted about your project? I need you to post the project. Okay, I need you guys to do it for me. Okay, so to summarize once again, this video is to have social accountability towards my goals for 2026, towards becoming a better mechatronics engineer. Over the first 6 months, I want to focus on one programming language, which is Python, and another mechanical concept, which is static and dynamic systems. Then, along with these two being priority, I'll also focus on the other primary, fundamentals for mechatronics, which are multivariable calculus, statistics, a whole lot of math, a whole lot of mechanical engineering concepts like hydraulics and pneumatics too. Uh, but yeah, two courses are priority for me: Python and static and dynamic systems. Then, in the next half of 2026, I will be focusing on computer organization and networks. Okay, so this will be the focus for 6 months. Yeah, what type of end result am I expecting from this? Again, it is a good mechatronics engineer, but if I had to say what kind of role I'm targeting towards, okay, there are very few companies which offer an exact mechatronics engineering role. So the closest I can get to a mechatronics engineering role in real life is a systems engineer. So I want to be confident enough by the end of 2026 to call myself as a systems engineer. Okay, to know all these concepts which I've told you so far, and be proficient at what I do, at what I know. So, yeah, keep expecting videos from me, and this is my commitment for 2026. See you guys in the next video.